Video 33 for the playlist that's devoted to 3D Experience CATIA, the generative shape design application. I'd like to discuss the extract icon. And if you are in generative shape design and you select the transform tab, there is going to be a multiple icons in this pull-up menu, and one of them is extract. The other one is boundary. That's already discussed in video 32. And there's going to be multi-extract that's going to be in video 34. But right now we're concerned about extract itself. Only limited capabilities of this will be discussed because it's quite extensive, and one really should go to the help menu, and also it would be useful if one had access to the theoretical menu, which we don't. When clicking on the extract, this dialog box opens up, and you can see there's a lot of stuff here, including this pull down menu, which allows you to choose different things. And this is why it's going to be limited presentation here. I've just copied and pasted 2 pages of the online documentation, and it's quite extensive. Now, the other thing is that because the concept of federation shows up in this dialog box, I've also copied something from internet and posted it here. And this is a very nice presentation about what federation is, but we're not going to be discussing it here. All right, let's go ahead and start with generative shape design right there. And what I'm going to do is first I will draw some kind of a sketch here. Really doesn't matter. I'll draw something like that. Exit. And we can do that right now for a volume. I'm going to pad this thing. You can do it volume, or you can go to, either way, you go to a part design and pad this thing and come back. So essential, pad it, move this thing a little bit up. Okay, very good. All right. So let me hide that sketch so that it won't bother us later. Oh, hide it. Okay, good. Now we're going to go back to generative shape design because that's where you find the extract icon. All right. Now here's extract. You click on it. By the way, a multiple pull-up menu, boundary, extract, and multiple extract. Okay. So right now, extract is the one that we're discussing. You select it. And what I'm going to say here is, first of all, no propagation. No propagation allows you to go and select a face. Notice that it's selected, and other faces. You can select another face. The only thing is that if you try to select this thing, it doesn't take it. If you had pre-selected things and do extract, you like take into account. But if you did this, all you have to do is to go to this, see this bundle? You can add stuff to it. For example, this one. And let's hypothetically say that one. And then we say OK. And then we say OK. So what happened is that if I hide this pad, you can see what happened. It extracted those faces. The only thing is that they're separate. You can join them if you want to make one single patch here, but in extract itself does not join them. Okay, let's do another one. Let me bring the pad on, and I'm going to hide these extracts, these surfaces. I'm going to hide them. So again, extract, again, no propagation. This time I'm going to select edges. So for example, this edge and that edge, and let's say this edge. Again, I try to select these, it doesn't work. So you go to that bundle. So this edge and that edge. And then you say, okay. So if I hide that block, you see that the edges are extracted, except that they're in separate extracts. Okay. Now, let me bring this thing back again. So we go here to bring the pad, show the pad. Let me hide these things. All right. Again, extract. This time I'm going to say tangent continuity or point continuity. And I select one face. So point continuity will take you all the way around, take all the faces, okay? And then we say, okay, except that a single extract has come and selected everything. Let me hide this. Bring the pad back on. All right. Okay, I want to show you one more thing, and that is when we go to extract here, okay, and say no propagation, and I select one face. See that? No propagation, selected one face, and set complementary mode gives me everything else. Okay. So if I say okay, and hide that, it I selected the space and ask for the complementary mode. It gives you all the other surfaces that were there. Let's try another one. Let me bring this thing back on. Like this. Okay. Try another one. Extract. No propagation. I select this with the complementary mode on, you give me everything else. Okay. So just keep that in mind if needed. There we are. All right. Good luck.